Okay, hello everyone. This is Zach here. Just want to do a quick sound check, please. Is my sounds coming okay by typing a one for me? Okay, so good news. We seems like close the gaps. Okay, at the moment. Okay, of course. Now it's 9:30. Okay, I don't want to say it's close already, but so far so good for today this morning over here. Currently, KRCA almost, I think it's touching 1610 lah. So exactly at 1610 right now. Almost 1610 right now. So it's good news. All right. So again, a quick one. My name is Zach here from XIFU. So if you are watching this for the first time, I appreciate if you can hit me the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out. And of course, a quick disclaimer, this section here, we are not doing any buy and sell call. This section we just purely based on sharing purposes, education purposes. If you want to trade any stock we discussed in this morning, make sure you got your own trading plan. If not, get advice from the professional. Okay, so everything's involved risk. Well, even though right now morning is looking bullish, but still, right? We don't know what happens towards the end. Okay, but so far everything looks good. Okay, so again, if my sound and screen is okay, type one for me, please. Okay, to ensure my sound and screen is working. We're gonna start a section here. I believe my pullback stocks today are quite good. Okay, this morning actually quite active already. For the past few days, like last week, actually our pullback stock is very quiet. Okay, so even 9:30 we don't have much stock, but today everything looks good. Okay, SGG, BSG coming back. Malakoff also. Unfortunately, I cut already the other day. But let's see how probably we got another chance again. Unique also coming back. Okay, Unique is one of the pretty strong one coming back. Jishan also, I feel like Jishan got something. Looks like quite active already lately. Okay, the other one, Malakoff. Okay, actually Malakoff, okay, this one sayang lah. Because actually I was holding until the other day, it make a big drop, so I have to exit. Again, we're not sure what happens to my market. So right now it looks like pushing back. Today very close with the main resistance. So probably going to let's see how probably be a bit more patient. Okay, before we look for the entry opportunities. Okay, so if you got any stocks, you just type it there. Okay, we will discuss. If not, I'm just going to go through some of the stocks that we discuss all this while, including the one in pullback. Okay, probably I start with my pullback stock first. We got some of the very good stocks over here. Like I say, it's a good time for me to build again my so-called watch list. Okay, then especially like shakeout counters. Okay, nowadays pretty good. So okay, MMRB. Okay, MMRB. Okay, this one not much volume, but coming back. I will probably put on hold first. Beta almost close to resistance. Too bad. I want to look for something that probably they're just about to come up. Okay, SDG. SDG is a bit boring over here. JCY. Okay, I look into Kim Lun. Wash me out the other day. Okay, same lah. I think a lot of people gonna wash out also. So okay, Powerwell and K1. Sure. I'll look into Powerwell and K1 as well. Do let me know again any stock you're looking into by typing your stock terms over there. Oh, JCY looks like pushing back. Okay, not bad. Cement, Notion, and EG as well. Okay, Jishan Malako, I think just now we take a quick look already. Okay, Kim Lun, just now I think Ruku mentioned Kim Lun. Let's look into Kim Lun right now. Okay, Kim Lun, of course, this one also bouncing back from the previous resistance. Again, a good sign. Actually, last week is a good sign because this is a shakeout already. Hey, where's my pen? Let me put my pens up. Okay, so this is like a previous resistance, should be turned into support. Now this is like a shakeout. We got some volume over here pushing back. Okay, normally pushing back is a good sign. So of course, if you want to, you can wait for the retest. Okay, but I'm not sure whether retest or not. Market seems like very good today. Oral setup is good. Okay, I can say oral setup is good, but just that what is your preferred entry price? Okay, now morning looks like pretty good. All slowly heading to resistance already. Okay, so for me, I still haven't really entered a lot of stocks. Say last week only, I entered EG. Today, yes, mostly going up. So maybe I will decide around like 3-4 p.m. Okay, because morning normally it will be a bit bullish one. Towards the end of the day, maybe got a little bit of sell off also. Okay, so that one might happen. So I got to continue to monitor stocks, then later on I will watch out, okay, what counters that, I can really focus, okay? So this morning also in the Telegram group post up Hohab. Of course, Hohab also very close to resistance. Okay, I'm aiming somewhere around 20 MA area. 165 would be good. Now it's 185 lah. Okay, so again, I'm not sure whether it happens or not, but just pop my alerts over there. Okay, so for your info, for those that who are using XIFU mobile, currently actually you can set your alerts. Okay, lifetime one. I mean, if you subscribe to the premium, like it's only 20 ringgit, you can access to lifetime chart, lifetime alerts. Okay, so what you do, if let's say you like Hohab, like I do, what you do, I park 165 alerts. When it hits, I get a trigger immediately. Then I know that, okay, it hits ready. Then I will come back to look into it. Okay. So any other counters? Hohab. Okay, let's look into Powerbell. This is from Kelvin. Okay, do let me know any stock you're looking into as well. Okay, tell me there. Okay, we will discuss later on. Okay, now this one having really okay, today close gap. Okay, today close gap. Okay, so okay, same thing as well. Maybe you want to wait for Shakeout complete, but slowly coming back lah. Today, let's say close gap, I think is likely it will follow most of our counters. So over here we got the gaps. Actually, last week they closed gap lah. Okay, last Friday they closed gap lah. So if you want to, I think it's okay. Okay, unless it reverse, okay, trading back into the gaps, then yeah, you need to be careful lah, to prepare whether you want to exit or not. Okay, again, but I'm not sure you are looking for entry exit lah. But so far, I think close gap is a good sign because overall market looks like heading back to the bullish trend already. Okay, now the other one is K1, also by Kelvin. Oh, this one slightly deeper, the wash. Okay, maybe you can aim somewhere around this area here lah. It's still a bit far away lah. It's still a bit far away lah. But of course, the strongest one would be somewhere around the support area. They're able to pushing it back into this area over here. Okay, so again, if you want to, I think it's okay. I'm not sure whether Kevin looking for entry except for these both counters. So if you want to, you can actually watch out into this resistance area. Sometimes it hits, reverse back, drop again. Okay, but here looks like still got a little bit of rooms for them to go. Okay, so probably on the watch out here. And immediate supports, okay, you can use this area here, right? Because here is too far lah. Okay, sometimes because downtrending stock, your support is a bit far. So it doesn't make sense if you want to use downtrending support. Okay, when the stock is a bit weakening, sometimes no point to use the short-term support level. Okay, so that's quick one for these three counters. Any other stocks you want me to look into? Okay, market bullish, but everyone's still very quiet. Okay, if not, I just continue to use my pullback. Okay, let's see here. Ibraco. Okay, Ibraco. Okay, not too bad. Okay, today. The other one I'm looking back into is Mountain also. Mountain, I think not too bad also. Nobilia. Wow. So fast this one. This morning already 21%. Okay. Okay, now this one, unless something's going on, so definitely they already completed Shakeout with this today candle with volume. Okay, I believe probably would do a strong closing. Unless next few days they retest back 180. Okay, then yes, I'll be more interested into this area here. Okay, but anyway, it's a below 20 cents counters. So if let's say break out 21%, I tend to be more careful one. Okay, any other stock? SCG, BHD, I think we reviewed already. Okay, Senko. Okay, Mayprop also heading to resistance. This one no volume on top. Okay, this one also heading to resistance really. A bit more to break. Okay, a bit more to break. Okay, but last Friday is a nice closing with a pullback. Okay, nice closing with a pullback. Okay, any other stocks? MMG. MMG also shake out. Okay, this one looks no bad also. Okay, here. Okay, this is a reaccumulation. We'll see a little bit of like a force breakout, shakeout, pushing back. Okay, so for me, as long as within this support, I think it's good. Okay, for MMG. Okay, any others? ATMS, red tone also coming back. Okay, this one also close gap. Okay, this one also close gap. Okay, red tone also shake out. Okay, loss of shakeout. Now loss of shakeout. Okay, over here. Okay, shakeout. Okay, pushing back. Okay, so this is a good sign for me. Okay, we got a few more counters coming in. Yeah, cap nets. Okay, let's get into cap nets. I think cap net last Friday quite good closing also. Yes. Okay, today's still going up a little bit. Okay, so here shakeout for me. Okay, but not sure whether on you're looking for entry exit lah. Okay, not sure looking for entry exit. So assuming if I'm looking for entry right now, okay, I think this level here is a low risk area. 60 cents, 60 cents above lah. Sometimes you cannot get 60 cents exactly one 605, 610. I think current price is for how much? Let's see. Current price closing is 635. Okay, maybe 610 area. I think it would be good to monitor. Okay, if you are looking for entry, like assuming. So here is the shakeout area. Okay, price goes up, shooting star high volume. Of course, market weak the other day, drop, shakeout, low volume, now pushing it back with higher volume. All right, so overall, I think Capnet is still interesting. Okay, still interesting. But if let's say, again, next few days, if let's say got chance, 620, maybe I will try 620, 615. All right. So again, not doing back on, I just want to share with you. Sometimes I will look for price closer to my so-called support level. Okay, before I decided to enter, even though the site is good, right? So sometimes market is like that, you still bullish, but next few days can turn already. Okay, now XL Force for me overall is slightly a bit disappointing. Okay, because not much trend, to be frank, for the past few years. If you look into the long-term trend, okay, of course I can say they are in the accumulation. Let's do the chart. Yeah, they're actually in the long-term accumulation. Okay, they're in the long-term accumulation. Unless you are planning for so-called long-term, then I think yes. Okay, short-term wise, currently I can say no trend. Okay, let's go into daily again back. Yet to close gap. So I think it's gonna take for a while. Okay, if you're again, I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit. Okay, for exit wise, by right, it actually breaks support. Okay, this is the closest support smart BSD before you make a big drop. All right. If you're looking for entry, I think okay because they are in a long-term accumulation, but this one need patience, man. Okay, this one need patience because sometimes, especially when the stocks, right, it come with a gap. Normally, it needs time to cross one. So if you look into like, for example, like Genting M Genting M, MYG took 1 year. Okay, some counter with a big gap. If I can recall, is I think Capital A also Asia. Okay, they need time to cross back this big gap. Okay, but this big gap also quite long already. 2018. Okay, wow, 5 6 years. Okay, it's a long period of so-called accumulation. Okay, of almost 5 6 years of accumulations. Okay, all right. Now let's turn to Evergreen. Okay, Evergreen also looks like a deep shakeout. Okay, this one also takes some time to cross the gaps. Okay, so here we got but this is a small gap. Okay, this is a small gap. Okay, trying to close but fail. Okay, wow, this one looks better over here. So okay, 350. I think as long as Evergreen above 350, I think it's good. All right, let's zoom in a little bit here for Evergreen. Okay, so let's say as long as I think above 350 should be quite safe. Okay, for Evergreen. Of course, best one they're trading back above the 2040 2040 area. Okay, but trend wise still good. Okay, for Evergreen. All right. Okay, any stock you want me to look into? Okay, today everyone's still a bit quiet. Okay, is it because I'm not sure you are already totally out from the market or still in the market waiting for recovery? Okay, I actually personally I'm looking for entry again because last week, yes, I do cut a lot, but of course some of them recovered. Marakov actually I still interested, but just that they are at the resistance ready. So I'm not sure whether should I chase or not. Okay, actually I wanted breakout one already. Okay, Markov breakout went already. Okay, maybe next few days I'll see how it goes. Oh yeah, SY Group also very strong. Okay, I think last week we do find some very good stocks like G-Shen, SY Group. I think Kuchenko also coming back, right? Let's see, SY Group. Okay, this one also Shakeout. Yeah, I think last week in the live Facebook we talked about SY Group also. Okay, so this one as well, we got a Shakeout below the 40 MA, pushing it back. Okay, looks like holding ball. Again, it's not a price that I'm interested to enter, but sell is good. Okay, I leave up to you whether you are maybe a long-term one, you don't mind with the risk that you are taking. Okay, I'm not sure, but because I'm looking for short-term trading, okay, so potentially I will prefer to enter somewhere around the support area, probably around the 40 MA area. Okay, so I'm not sure whether this week it will slowly heading to this direction or not. Okay, but if drop with low volume, I think it's still fine overall. Okay, so there's SY Group. Okay, this is okay, the other transaction. So okay, any other stocks? Jishen, Kuchenko. Let's try Kuchenko. I think got some reversal in hourly chart. Okay, if not mistaken, Kuchenko. Oh yeah, the other one is CEB. Okay, CEB also both to pay attention. I think this morning Abba lah. Okay, CEB Abba. Okay, Kuchenko. Of course, I won't use daily chart because it's a new IPO contest. We don't have much information for TA purpose. Now, if you're looking into this so-called hourly chart over here, right? So next reversal with volume. Okay, retest. Okay, currently retest. Right, so I think potentially they might hit into the next so-called resistance 50 cents. Now it's 42 cents. Okay, 42 cents to 50 cents. Okay, still got around like 10 over percent. Okay, kind of movement. Right, Kuchenko probably can and for slow slightly shorter terms. Okay, time frame. Okay, still let's get into steel. Hey, this one not bad, Friday close with volume. Okay, this one definitely is a shakeout. Okay, but do they heading to resistance? But Tamizi, okay, you're looking for entry or exit. Okay, entry wise, risk to reward not so nice, but I can say setup is good. Okay, as long as for me nowadays got shakeout, I think it's good. Okay, so like I say, during weak market, discount markets, we will see plenty of shakeout one. Once you shake out form, right, I cannot promise every time shake out happen, it will break resistance, but most of the time it will try to challenge your resistance. Okay, I think one of the very good example is Malakoff. They're able to cross the resistance successfully today, right after the big shakeout. So nowadays, like I say, I keep focusing on my so-called shakeout counters. Okay, shakeout counters is quite obvious. Okay, every time when there is weak market coming, okay, because you want to see which counter actually got interest. Okay, from the operator itself. Okay, now let's go into EMCC. Okay, let me know any other counters. Okay, if not, probably we will end our section here today as well. Okay, EMCC overall, actually before twice also kena a bit. Okay, but if you ask me, I don't really like this kind of patterns for EMCC. Okay, because why? You see, before the big wash, okay, which is I think like last week, during the crash, right? This guy is already in downtrend. Okay, even though yes, downtrending with low volume, okay, but still the trend actually has been weakening since this candle over here. I remember I entered somewhere around here. I thought, okay, this guy will coming already. Oh, sorry, I think I entered somewhere around here. After that, it break. I thought it's coming already, but it dropped. Okay, a bit disappointing. I think I cut somewhere in between. So this one actually telling me that okay, the trend is weakening. Okay, and if you notice, right, they have been trading below 2040 for I don't know 3 months. Okay, 3 months already since May until now August. Okay, so definitely trend is not that strong. I'm currently looking into something that before the market dropped badly on last week, the trend is uptrending. Okay, because a drop probably is a shakeout. Okay, and then market continue to resume back into uptrend. But this guy is already in downtrend before that. Okay, now if you are looking for something for long term, okay, I'm not sure whether EMCC is good for long term or not. So weekly chart wise, okay, last week actually closed with a hammer back to the previous support level somewhere around here. Okay, long term support still there. Okay, long term support still there. Okay, Calvin, assuming you're looking for long term. So let's look into my analyzer. Okay, 6 out of 9. Okay, not too bad. Definitely it's not very good, but still okay. 6 out of 9. Okay, for Petrosky F score. Okay, so for those that who are looking for long term, probably yes, quite suitable. TA wise, no lah. Okay, so for those that who don't know, this is the TA ratings. This is the FA rating. Okay, again, this is actually built by Mr. JK. If you have attended the other day on the Members Day, I think you should know. So here is the combination of FATA. Okay, again, we do some calculation to come up with this rating. 10 is the full score. 3.5 actually is not that ideal currently. Okay, so let's into Malakoff. Malakoff definitely, I think the TA also score quite high. Okay, just that the FA not so good. Okay, so for TA side, yes, if you are looking for purely for TA only. All right. So okay, any other stocks you want me to look into? Okay, today market's not bad, but overall still be quiet now. Oh, HSSDB coming back. This one also quite nice. Okay, this one also not bad. Okay, a deep pullback to 40 MA. Now this has got a high volume candle. Oh, the other one is CEB. Okay, CEB also. This is a cumulative volume. I haven't entered yet. Probably will consider, but now it's already 50 cents lah. Okay, but I'll watch until the end of the day. This one actually is quite interested also because of the cumulative volume. Maybe there will be a rebound coming in. Okay, so let's turn into EG. Okay, EG still haven't do a shakeout complete, but I entered already. Because again, last Friday, I think morning or afternoon, right? They are closing up. Okay, I thought gonna make a strong closing. I enter first, but okay lah. This morning still holding well. Hopefully today it can cross above again to 20 cents. Okay, EGWD also nice setups, forming a nice setup as well. Okay, so far okay. As long as for above 40 MA, I think it's still good. All right. So okay, if let's say there's no stocks, okay, from you, probably I will end my section here today. So again, do remember to join our Telegram, okay, for more updated so-called setups or information about stocks, stock patterns, okay. Okay, now last one, I think this one I'm interested. VLB again, VLB also. I'm looking, okay, for yeah, also this one closing the resistance already. But let's see how lah. I think I exit somewhere around here also the other day. Entry back, wow, almost 10% the difference. Okay, this one Malakoff I'm interested. Okay, but let's see after the afternoon. Hopefully it will retest back the support again. Okay, morning Wong market recover like nothing happened last week. Yeah, correct. Okay, KLC also I think just now we saw close gap already. So again, good sign lah. Okay, normally sometimes market up for a few months. This kind of wash needed. So, but yes, even though currently it feels like we have been cheated by the market, have to buy slightly higher. But at least this is showing that someone, okay, especially the operator, actually still in the market and they are interested. Okay, so yeah lah, probably no need to spend all your money first. If you like me, cut everything last week already, you got plenty of cash. No need to rush to enter back because sometimes what happens is that yes, market will continue bullish for 1 or 2 weeks later, maybe this week still bullish. Next week probably another minor correction might happen. All right, so I think like KSL, all those belum jalan ones still can monitor back lah. Okay, yeah, KSL belum come back. Okay, probably yes, you can watch out this kind of few counters over here. Okay, or maybe like SP setia. This one also belum come back mah. Okay, this one also belum come back. So probably you can watch out these few counters that belum complete shakeout one. Okay, see whether you want to enter slightly low risk or not. All right, so with this, thank you once again. Thank you for joining me. Do remember to join my Telegram, okay, for more discussions, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, FJ Lim. Okay, JSB, last one, last one. Okay, JSB. I thought no people comment already. Today I'm very quiet. Okay, now JSB, yeah. Okay, not my favorite setups. Not my favorite setups, definitely. This is okay, at the bottom I don't see volume. Of course, you can argue that here is a potential support. Yes, temporary rebound might happen. Okay, but don't hold for too long because I cannot tell the setup. Okay, unlike CEB is downtrend, yes, but it comes with high volume, cumulative volume. So that's why I feel that there will be a technical rebound from a strong rebound from there. But JSB, if you notice, there's no volume at the bottom here. Even though got two buy by who? Datino, okay, and then this one is Lazarus Capital, okay, even though got two buy over here, but I don't see a strong volume, so maybe you aim for some small technical rebound first if you're really interested, okay, if you're really interested. Okay, so with this, once again, thank you, and I'll see you again tomorrow.